Madagascar shows how a mature leadership handles a SADC chairmanship. The 12th of August 2025, by Tendai Ruben Mbafana, Antananarivo, as Madagascar readies itself to host the 45th Southern African Development Community, SADC, Ordinary Summit on the 17th of August. The island nation has set a tone of calm professionalism, a stark contrast to Zimbabwe's high-drama hosting of the same event last year. President Andry Rajoelina's government has avoided turning the chairmanship into a political spectacle, focusing instead on regional priorities such as economic integration, infrastructure development, climate resilience, and trade. There is no desperate scramble to use the SADC chairmanship as a political lifeline. One Antananarivo-based political commentator told News Times Zimbabwe, "Here the summit is about SADC, not about one man's image." Local media, including Madagascar Tribune and L'Express de Madagascar, have reported on preparations with an emphasis on substance rather than pomp. Security, logistics, and hospitality plans are in place, but without excessive spending or vanity projects. In contrast, Zimbabwe's hosting of the 44th SADC Summit in August 2024 was marked by lavish spending, propaganda, and heavy-handed security measures. Critics say the Mnangagwa administration used the event to promote the president's image, with state media portraying the chairmanship as a personal endorsement. The difference could not be clearer. Mbafana writes, Madagascar understands that SADC's rotating chairmanship is not a trophy for political greatness. It's a responsibility to facilitate regional cooperation. Opposition figures in Madagascar have not faced arrest or harassment ahead of the summit, unlike in Zimbabwe, where over 100 activists were detained and protests banned in the lead-up to the 2024 meeting. For many observers, Madagascar's approach shows that regional leadership can be exercised without self-aggrandizement. A message some SADC members may do well to heed. Like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to stay updated on Southern Africa's political developments.